Setting up shipping and delivery on Shopify ensures customers receive accurate shipping rates and options during checkout. Here's how to configure it in a few steps. Access shipping settings. Log into your Shopify admin. Go to Settings, Shipping and Delivery. Create shipping zones. Under General Shipping Rates, click Manage. Create shipping zones based on the regions or countries you ship to. A shipping zone is a group of countries or regions with the same rates. Set shipping rates. For each zone, add shipping rates. Flat rate, fixed price per order. Price-based rate, depends on order total. Weight-based rate, based on order weight. Carrier calculated rate. Use services like Royal Mail or UPS to provide real-time rates. Configure local delivery or pickup. For local customers, set up local delivery or local pickup under the local delivery section. Set up packaging. Define default package sizes and weights to help calculate shipping rates accurately. Test checkout. Always test your checkout to ensure rates display properly.